Okay, what if I told you that a silent, ticking time bomb might already be inside your body, waiting to change your life forever? Prostate cancer is a disease that sneaks up on thousands of men every year, sometimes often without any warning. It is the second most common cancer among men, and yet so many ignore the early warning signs when they do occur. But here's the catch. You have the power to stop it before it's too late. Catching it early could save your life. I'm going to show you how. In this video, I will explore the 8 early signs of prostate cancer you should never ignore. I will be talking about men's health, something that is super important when it comes to prostate cancer. Stick around and keep watching. This is important stuff every man needs to know, and I'll explain it clearly. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to take charge of your health. So watch this video all the way to the end, because your health or the health of someone you love could depend on it.
Check one, check.
First, what is prostate cancer? Before I talk about the signs, let's understand what we're up against. The prostate is a small gland, about the size of a walnut, below the bladder with a big job. It helps with reproduction. It helps produce the fluid that nourishes and protects sperm, and keeps those sperm healthy. Prostate cancer happens when cells in the prostate grow too fast, making a lump called a tumour. Early on, there are usually no signs. It's sneaky. But when things go wrong, this small gland can become a serious threat. It can push on other organs and cause problems. Here's the thing, not all prostate cancers are the same. Some grow so slowly they go unnoticed for years, creating a false sense of security. Others are aggressive, spreading rapidly and posing serious health risks. The sooner we find it, the better the chances of getting it treated and getting better. That's why knowing the warning signs isn't just helpful, it's critical. Remember, knowing is half the battle. Now, let's talk about the 8 early warning signs, things that tell you something might be wrong with your prostate. These signs can be from other, less serious things too. But if you have any of these, see a doctor to be safe. 1. Frequent urination, especially at night. Ever find yourself waking up multiple times during the night to use the bathroom? It might seem harmless, but it could be an early warning sign. The prostate, when enlarged, can press against your urethra, disrupting your bladder's ability to empty completely. Don't just brush it off as getting older. And if you think that's surprising, wait until you hear about symptom number 3. It's one most men would never connect to cancer. 2. Painful ejaculation. This isn't a topic most men like to talk about, but it's important. If you experience pain or discomfort during ejaculation, don't ignore it. It could be a sign of prostate inflammation or even cancer. Remember, your body has ways of telling you when something is wrong. Are you listening? 3. Blood in urine or semen. Imagine this. You see blood where it doesn't belong. It's alarming, right? Well, before I talk about what blood in urine or semen could mean, I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select All to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Blood in urine or semen could mean vascular damage caused by a tumour. While infections can also cause this, it's a signal you should never dismiss. Early intervention can save your life. 4. Discomfort while sitting. Pain while sitting might sound trivial, but think about this. The prostate's location means any enlargement can create pressure in the pelvic area, making it uncomfortable to sit. If this discomfort persists, especially if paired with other symptoms, it's time to take action. 5. Persistent pain in back, hips, or chest. Aches and pains come with age, right? But persistent, deep-seated pain in these areas can mean something more. Prostate cancer often spreads to the bones, making these pains a potential red flag. If the discomfort doesn't go away, listen to your body. It could be trying to warn you. But did you know that prostate cancer can even show signs in your legs and feet? We'll get to that shortly. 6. Swelling in legs or feet. Swelling in your lower limbs might not scream prostate cancer, but here's why it matters. If cancer spreads to the lymph nodes, it can block fluid drainage, leading to swelling. Don't ignore what seems minor. It could point to something major. 7. Unintentional weight loss. Losing weight without trying might sound like a dream, but in this case, it's a nightmare. Cancer cells can disrupt your body's metabolism, causing rapid, unexplained weight loss. If this happens, paired with other symptoms, it's a signal to see your doctor immediately. 8. Numbness or weakness in limbs. This one's serious. If prostate cancer spreads to the spine, it can compress the spinal cord, causing numbness or weakness in your arms or legs. Left untreated, this can lead to permanent nerve damage or even paralysis. Don't wait. Seek help right away. Who's at risk? Now let's talk about risk factors and what puts you at risk. Things that make you more likely to get prostate cancer. Age is a major factor, and maybe the biggest one. Prostate cancer is most common in men over 50. Family history and genetics, like the BRCA mutations. Race is also a factor that also plays a role. African American men in particular face a higher risk, often developing more aggressive forms of the disease. If your dad, brother or son had it, especially if they were young when they got it, your risk is higher. But here's the good news. Lifestyle changes can help. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables and whole grains, paired with regular exercise, matters and can reduce your risk. Eating lots of red meat and processed foods and not enough fruits and vegetables is linked to higher risk. And don't forget regular screenings, especially if you have a family history. Knowledge and early action are your best defenses. Prevention and early detection, your action plan. So, how can we protect ourselves? Prevention is key. Talk to your doctor about prostate cancer screening. This usually means a blood test called a PSA test and a finger exam. I know nobody likes talking about this, but it's much better to catch it early. Your doctor is used to talking about these things. It's their job. Next, let's talk lifestyle. Make healthy choices every day. Eat a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Get moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. And if you smoke, quit. Smoking is bad for your lungs and it's linked to a higher risk of prostate cancer. Your health, your power. We covered a lot in this video, but remember, knowledge is power. Remember, prostate cancer is a battle that can be won if you catch it early. Don't ignore the warning signs. Frequent urination, pain, swelling or unexpected weight loss are your body's way of waving a red flag. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, and the men in your life to raise awareness. You never know whose life you might save. Let's spread the word and help each other take charge of our prostate health. Also remember to subscribe for more videos on health and wellness. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video, but until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Stay proactive, stay informed, and take control of your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.